Welcome to Safety Month. This year's Safety Month might have you facing a different set of concerns. Staying safe and healthy in light of the continuing effects of COVID-19. This video will share some solutions to help you with your in-person and virtual work, making sure you and your clients are as safe as possible. I'm Laurie Egbert, a Bright Training Specialist, and in this video we're going to go over 3 ways Bright can help keep you safe. First, designate live video showings and open houses in Bright. If you or your clients are unable to offer in-person showings this fall, Bright offers a variety of ways to share the alternative showings and open houses that you'll be offering. This includes live video as your showing method on your listing, designating your showings in showing time as virtual appointments only, and entering your upcoming open houses as a live video so interested buyers know to join and learn more about the property. Second, you can add a virtual tour to every listing. Virtual tours offer a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week access to the listing. They give buyers the opportunity to walk through prior to a showing or in place of an in-person showing. And did you know that you can upload 20 virtual tours? Maybe one for every room. And lastly, for in-person and even video streaming work, use the HomeSnap Pro Safety Timer. If you're doing an in-person showing or open house, or you're on location to stream a live video showing or open house, HomeSnap Pro offers a safety timer and a distress alert feature that helps prevent a potentially dangerous situation from getting too far out of hand. It sends a message to your chosen contacts without alerting anyone in the vicinity of your phone that the message been sent. HomeSnap Pro is included with your Bright subscription. You can download the app using the link below, as well as learn more about HomeSnap's safety feature. Remember to check this video's description on YouTube for more helpful safety resources. If you like this content, give it a like and share it with your network. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video.